CEO community! My name is Teara Fraser and I'm a proud Métis woman. You are getting a sneak peek into the airplane that I just bought on Friday. I am launching a new airline March 8th, 2019, which is International Women's Day. I've chosen to name my airline Esqueo Air. Esqueo is a Cree word for woman. I've mindfully chosen the name as an act of reclamation of womanhood, matriarchal leadership, and language. Our vision is connecting people with each other and to the land. Just last night, I declared an intention into the future that I am a sweetgrass warrior, thriving as Canada's first Indigenous woman-owned airline, Esqueo Air. Woo!